Okay, welcome to problem number 4. It says find the circumference. So what I need to do first is identify what kind of a line do I have. Well, just like in the previous question number 3, we know that if a line goes from one side of a circle to the another side, passing through the center, that it's going to be a diameter. Now, I can't really see this number there. It is 35. Okay, so now I know it's 35. Put that back so we can see what we're doing. All right, so that number is 35. There was no dot in between it, so I wasn't sure if it was 3.5 or 35, so we know it's 35. Anytime you need to make it bigger, you can go to zoom. You can zoom into 100, go back out to view, go to zoom, go to fit. There we go. It fits the screen. You can go in here to view, zoom, and you can do zoom in and zoom out anytime you need to. So if you can't see anything. So anytime I send you something, it formats it the way it's formatting it. There's no way else for me to format it with the way it's packaging it to you on the computer. But there's ways that you can change your view anytime you need to. All right, so the formula I'm going to use is when I'm finding my circumference, I have this one, c equals pi d, or c equals 2 pi r. Since I have a diameter, I'm going to use c equals pi d. So c equals, to do my pi, I go up to insert, special characters. I go up here, I click, type in the word pi, click on that one, go back, there's pi. Type in the letter D. Again, I am not going to accept pi in any other format because it kind of got crazy yesterday. So we're going to make sure we do the special characters so we can see what we're doing. I don't know my circumference when I'm doing my equation. That's what I'm trying to find out. We do know that pi equals 3.14. How do we know that? Because we're memorizing it. Pi equals 3.14. And then I have that when things are stuck together like this, I'm multiplying. So I'm going to put my little x. My d, I did the view so I could see it better, was 35. So now all I need to do to figure out my circumference is 3.14 times 35. I'm going to come down here. C equals 109.9 is what I got in my calculator. I'm going to look over here to which one is closest to that. That would be 110. I'm going to take my highlighted box, cover that. I'm going to come up here, make it so it has my white plus sign. I'm going to drag and drop that up there. Did I do all my expectations? Did I show my work in my white box? Yes, I did. It's nice, clean, and neat. Did I highlight the letter? I did. Did I drag the word into the sentence? I did. It's up there. Look how nice, clean, and neat this sheet is. This is how yours should look when you are done.